Lenovo LOQ 15AHP10 RTX 5050 Ryzen 7 AI-powered gaming laptop. Step into the next generation of gaming with the Lenovo LOQ Gaming 15AHP10, featuring AMD Ryzen AI and cutting-edge Nvidia RTX graphics for unmatched speed and performance. Processor: AMD Ryzen 7 258-core. AI PC category: AI-powered gaming PC. NPU: integrated AMD Ryzen AI, up to 16 TOPS. Chipset: AMD SOC platform. Storage: 512GB M.2 2242 PCIe 4.0x4 NVMe SSD. Memory: 16GB DDR5-5600 RAM. Power adapter: 170W slim tip, 3-pin. Battery: 60W Rapid Charge Pro. Graphics: 8GB Nvidia GeForce RTX 5050 GDDR7, boost clock 2662 MHz, TGP 100W, 440 AI TOPS. Display: 15.6 FHD, 1920x1080, IPS 300 nits anti-glare, 100% sRGB, 144 Hz, GSYNC. Camera: 5.0MP with e-shutter. Standard ports: 3x USB-A, a USB 5 gigabits per second, a USB 3.2 Gen 1. USB-C, USB 10 gigabits per second, a USB 3.2 Gen 2, with USB PD65-100W and DisplayPort 1.4. HDMI 2.1, up to 8K per 60 Hz. Headphone and microphone combo jack, 3.5mm. Keyboard: white backlit, English, EU. Touchpad: buttonless Mylar Surface multi-touch touchpad, supports precision touchpad. Audio chip: high definition, HD, audio. Speakers: stereo speakers, 2W x 2, optimized with Nahimic audio.